Toyota Hilux Champ pickup introduced as a $13,000 vehicle in Thailand. The new entry-level pickup with practical appearance is compatible with many aftermarket accessories. The highly anticipated production version of the Toyota IMV0 concept has been unveiled in Thailand, adopting the Hilux Champ nameplate. The bare-bones pickup retains the style and character of the concept. It comes with a low entry price, 3 powertrain options and endless aftermarket customization possibilities. From the outside, the Hilux Champ looks identical to the IMV0 concept. The heavy plastic cladding on the Land Cruiser-inspired windshield, flat windshield, black steel frames and halogen headlights, LEDs are optional, reflect the model's budget-oriented orientation. The Thai-spec Hilux Champ is available in short and long wheelbase forms with a drop-down bed or flat deck. The shortest model has a length of 4,970 mm, 195.7 inches, while the long version extends up to 5,300 mm, 208.7 inches. Toyota engineers added bolt holes in various parts of the deck, allowing owners to personalize the vehicle by installing different types of aftermarket parts. Toyota Motor Thailand has mentioned more than 100 accessory manufacturers that can turn the Hilux Champ into the light commercial vehicle of your dreams. All Toyota Hilux Champ versions in Thailand feature a single cab design, 2 doors and a 2-seat cabin. The interior is as simple as the exterior. The orange accents make the look of the black plastic more bearable. The absence of an infotainment screen or any multimedia system makes the instrument cluster the only source of information for the driver. The only features visible in the example pictured are a fan, no fancy air conditioning or climate control, 2 cup holders, a power outlet, power windows, and a few storage compartments. The Toyota Hilux Champ is based on a simplified version of the IMV ladder frame architecture developed in Thailand, which also underpins the regular Hilux. The Thailand spec pickup will be offered with 3 powertrain options: 2.0-liter petrol, 1TR FE, 2.7-liter petrol, 2TR FE, and 2.4-liter turbodiesel, 2GD FTV. The entry-level 2.0-liter gasoline engine produces 137 horsepower, 102 kilowatts/139 PS, and 183 Nm, 135 lb-ft, of torque. The more powerful 2.7-liter petrol produces 164 horsepower, 122 kilowatts/166 PS, and 245 Nm, 181 lb-ft, of torque. Finally, the torquier 2.4-liter turbodiesel is good for 148 horsepower, 110 kilowatts/150 PS, and 343 Nm, 253 lb-ft, providing a Hilux-matching 1-ton, 2,205 pounds, payload capacity. The base engine is mated only to a 5-speed manual transmission, while the other 2 options are available with a 6-speed torque converter automatic. In all cases, power is transferred to the rear axle. This means there is no 4WD option for the Hilux Champ, at least for Thai buyers. The Toyota Hilux Champ is priced between $13,065 to $16,425 in Thailand, making it more affordable than the regular Hilux, which starts at $16,120 in its most basic form and can go up to $35,788. Toyota Motor Thailand is already accepting orders for the new pickup, although there is no specific timeline for deliveries. The Hilux Champ will be produced at Toyota's Samrong plant in Thailand, which focuses on commercial vehicle production.